Today we are making beetroot powder, which can be used instead of artificial colors, which has so many chemicals. I soak beetroot in water for 20 to 25 minutes so it loosens all the mud and soil and it's easy to clean. Then peel off the skin. And you can use beetroot powder in cookies, cakes, tutti frutti, add to some food if your baby is not eating beetroot. And for any coloring, red coloring, don't use red coloring, artificial colors, use this. And then this skin of the beetroot, if the beetroot is organic, you can add water, boil it and drink it. It's very healthy. And if not, if you're using any hair dye or any hair pack, you can boil the water and use it in the hair pack or put it in the compost. I don't let any kitchen waste go waste. It's very useful. So chop it into nice small pieces. Don't use the blender because we want the juice for that color. If you lose the juice, the color won't be that strong. So now chop it into fine pieces. You can wear gloves, but this color will go from the chopping board. If it doesn't go, then put it in the sunlight and for some time, and then clean the chopping board, and you can get rid of the color. So these are finely chopped. Now we are going to dry it. Use any tray or plate you have. This is the one which has holes and there is air circulation. So I'm using it. Make one layer, thin layer, so it dries very quickly. So this is now having lot in one plate. So I'm going to put in another plate and dry it. So dry it, you don't have to put it in the harsh sunlight. Put it near the window. If you don't have sunlight, if it's in the winter season, then put it on the fan and it will dry. It will just take some more days for this. This is in winter season I'm doing. So it took for me about 2 to 3 days. So these are completely dry. See? And now we are going to blend it. Blend it to a fine powder. You can use this strainer to strain the powder very fine. But this is my blender is very nice. It has a fine powder. See, the color is so beautiful. And especially with the children's menu, we try to add color. So use this color. You can also use this in many different ways in your food because this is nutrition with no chemicals. You can store it in an airtight container. If you want to increase the shelf life, then you can put it in the refrigerator. Use dry spoon. You can also make a lip balm by mixing it with any butter or coconut oil, and you have a beautiful lip balm. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.